LaundryCares Foundation is on a roll, and we want you to be part of it. You've heard all the great works and mission of the LaundryCares Foundation in recent years, and now we're taking it up a notch. We're trying to create the LaundryCares network, and we need you in your laundromat locations to be part of it. We're creating the biggest network of community-friendly laundromats anywhere, anytime. So you can be part of it too. There's no cost to join. We'd like to simply add you to our growing list of laundromat owners that want to be made aware of opportunities to give back to their communities. We are all so fortunate to be in this business, and our livelihoods start with those families spending their money with us each and every week. What better way to support those families and show our appreciation than to join the LaundryCares network and be part of our programming that's really aimed to lift those families up and make things better. So please join us. Go to laundrycares.org and join the LaundryCares network.